Hello and welcome to Spotlight, our series where we speak to all our portfolio companies and hear what the latest news is directly from them. Today, my guest is Dima Djani, the Group CEO of ALAMI. Thank you, Dima, for joining me. ALAMI was started in 2019, and in the 5 years, you'll have done some amazing work. Tell me about this journey about really setting up a company that's a Sharia compliant company in the fintech sector.
It's been a ride, definitely over the past few years. A very roller coaster, but amazing ride for all of us. So we did a couple of pivot actually early in the days in 2019. Then 2021, we expand from a mere peer-to-peer lending provider on the crowdfunding side into a digital bank, and we start to roll out the banking app late 2022. So it's been a year since we launched the bank and trying to integrate all businesses that we have, the bank as well as the digital lending platforms. But then it's been great. We got along the ways we got four key licenses from the central bank and the financial regulators. We've raised over 45 million US dollars on equity and more than 50 million on the debt side since the inception. And we've disbursed more than 350 million US dollars equivalent in our own local currency to more than 5,000 SMEs.
What you described showed that you've already created tremendous impact. uh, and you know that journey has brought you to where you are now doing some amazing work. What does 2024 look like for Alami?
I think the journey to be sustainable and profitable would be the key challenge in 2024 and the moment of truth. I think when our business is just lending on the digital lending side, I think we've kind of hit that break even point. But then we decided to expand it to bank because that's where the future is. So now we are juggling and trying to push carry like the banking infrastructure to be a profitable business while gaining trust from our users, regulators, and other stakeholders. So the 2024 is looking a lot like hitting all the right fundamentals, increasing sales, managing the costs while as we grow, and getting the trust from our customers to be to hit the product market fit on the banking side.
And you said expanding to which region? Sorry, I didn't get you.
Yeah, in terms of the expansion, we're starting to have an early discussion with several parties in the Middle East, such as Saudi, Qatar, Turkey, and also in Southeast Asia, Malaysia, and interestingly, Philippines, that would like to create the first Islamic digital bank. So we're going to meet the governor of the central bank with a local partner to explore that route as well. So it's going to be probably late 2024 or early next year.
No, that's really exciting. I'm just back from a trip to the Middle East, and it's palpable how they're leading, uh, with technological innovations and adopting Gen AI, and it was really exciting. But I do want to ask you, while expansion is the natural next step, and it's super exciting, it also means getting a little bit out of your comfort zone. You have built a really good business. What's the driving factor to wanting to replicate this model in the Middle East?
Yeah, I think there's a lot of similarities between Indonesia and countries in the Middle East. I mean, notably in our case, is the Sharia compliance way to do financing. I think in the Middle East, the Islamic banking or Islamic finance penetration is way deeper than in Indonesia. So people are generally already have a basic level of literacy when it comes to Islamic finance. So the penetration shouldn't be as hard as other countries. The regulators already understand it and they have built the infrastructure. I think then the question would be on the digitalization or of the industry, and we have in Indonesia we have the experience with a way bigger market here. So I think that that's kind of like the complementary situation of us.
That makes a lot of sense. More power to you and Alami, and we'll keep watching as you all expand and grow bigger and better. And thank you so much again for joining me, Dima. I really enjoyed my conversation with you.
Thank you, Sandia.